Welcome to this detailed walkthrough of the Celo wallet, your gateway to managing digital assets on the Celo blockchain. The Celo wallet is designed to offer a seamless and user-friendly experience, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and experienced crypto users. In this guide, we'll cover everything you need to know about the Celo wallet, from setup to advanced features. The Celo wallet allows you to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies effortlessly, thanks to its intuitive interface. One of its standout features is the ability to send payments using mobile phone numbers, eliminating the need for complex wallet addresses. This makes it incredibly accessible, especially for users new to crypto. The wallet supports the Celo network's native assets, including Celo and CUSD, as well as other ERC20 tokens. Setting up the wallet is straightforward. Simply download it from the official website or app store, create a secure password, and back up your recovery phrase. The wallet ensures your funds are protected with robust encryption and private key management. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Once your wallet is set up, you can easily manage your funds and transactions. The wallet's dashboard provides a clear overview of your portfolio, showing balances and transaction history at a glance. Its integration with decentralized applications, DApps, allows for a range of functionalities, from staking Celo to participating in governance proposals. The wallet also supports seamless token swaps within the app, enabling users to exchange assets without leaving the platform. Another notable feature is its focus on security. With options for biometric authentication and compatibility with hardware wallets, the Celo wallet ensures your assets are safe from unauthorized access. The wallet's mobile-first approach aligns with its mission to make crypto accessible to everyone, particularly in underbanked regions. By simplifying payments and offering a low-barrier entry to digital assets, the Celo wallet is more than just a tool. It's a step towards financial inclusion. For those looking to delve deeper, the wallet's integration with the Celo ecosystem offers opportunities to explore the broader capabilities of blockchain technology. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button to stay updated with more crypto insights and tutorials.